Summer is here, and with it comes warmer weather, longer days, and plenty of opportunities for fun in the sun. However, before you start enjoying all the season has to offer, it's important to make sure your home is clean and organized. In this video, we'll provide you with a summer cleaning checklist of essential tasks to help you maintain a clean and organized home. This program is brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. Tip number 1. Declutter your home. Before you start cleaning, declutter your home. Get rid of any items you no longer need and organize your belongings in a way that makes sense for you. This will make cleaning and organizing your home much easier. Tip number 2. Deep clean your kitchen. The kitchen is often the heart of the home, and it's important to keep it clean and organized. Deep clean your kitchen by scrubbing the countertops, cleaning the inside of your refrigerator and oven, and washing any dishes or utensils that have accumulated over time. Tip number 3. Clean your bathrooms. Bathrooms are another important area of your home that require regular cleaning. Scrub the toilet, sink, and shower or bathtub. Don't forget to clean the mirror too. Tip number 4. Vacuum and dust your living areas. Your living areas, such as your living room and bedrooms, should be vacuumed and dusted regularly. Pay special attention to areas that are often overlooked, such as baseboards and behind furniture. Tip number 5. Wash your windows and window treatments. Washing your windows and window treatments can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your home. Use a mixture of warm water and vinegar to clean your windows and wash your curtains or blinds according to their care instructions. Tip number 6. Tidy up your outdoor spaces. Your outdoor spaces, such as your porch or patio, can quickly become cluttered with outdoor toys, gardening tools, and other items. Take some time to tidy up these spaces and store any unnecessary items out of sight. Tip number 7. Organize your closet. Summer is a great time to organize your closet. Pack away any winter clothing and organize your summer wardrobe by color or style. This will make getting dressed in the morning much easier. Tip number 8. Clean your carpets and rugs. Carpets and rugs can quickly become dirty and stained. Deep clean your carpets and rugs, or consider having them professionally cleaned. Tip number 9. Dust your ceiling fans and light fixtures. Ceiling fans and light fixtures can accumulate dust over time. Use a soft cloth or a duster to remove any dust and replace any burnt-out light bulbs. Tip number 10. Don't forget the small details. Finally, don't forget the small details. Change your air filters, clean your dryer vent, and wipe down your baseboards. These small tasks can make a big difference in the overall cleanliness and organization of your home. A clean and organized home is essential for a happy and healthy summer. By following this summer cleaning checklist, you can ensure that your home is clean, organized, and ready for all the season has to offer. So get ready to tackle these essential tasks and enjoy a summer of fun and relaxation in a clean and organized home. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more great content. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think of this video.